Hi, so I'm back here with the Cecropia caterpillars, and I put them all on their fresh greens, and I'm going to seal all this up, and I put a little bag around them because I don't want them to get too dried out, although I do like to, because I'm in northern Arizona, I like to mist their greens. So I just put them in there. Let's see if I can give you a close-up before I finished it. So I laid them all on top, and they're finding their own way on their own. They crawl off my little clipped branch and find a new spot to start to eat. And so I'll seal this up. I get these little butterfly cages. They're perfect for indoor rearing from, let's see, I'm going to show you what it looks like collapsed down from Amazon. They're, I guess, 20 inches high. And here's what it looks like collapsed down. So this one has been cleaned in the Clorox solution that I mentioned in the earlier video and dried. And then I just put them away. And of course, they can be stored flat for the whole year, which is great. So I'm going to put them, the newly changed Cecropias, in here in this bag surrounding it. This is just a trash bag for small trash cans. It's very convenient, fits perfectly. And I put my little, which I need to rewrite, my Cecropia tag on there because I like to keep the record of when the eggs were laid and then how long it takes them before they'll make a cocoon. They'll have a couple weeks to go, this group. So we'll put these away over here on my shelf, which I have timed lighting on, not for any particular purpose for the caterpillars, but just so that I keep a consistent lighting. I originally set it up for plants. So, okay, so I have more greens here to distribute, and we'll be back with our next batch of caterpillars in a few minutes.